What's up, everybody? Mr. Ball back at it. We have the Ryobi One Sheet Sander. If you followed me for a while, you know the sander is one of my best videos. I have a few videos of the corded sander. Been using it over 5 years on my wood shop and my wood working and all that good stuff. It works great. Showed how you clamp it on, all that. But I do hate the cord. Now, what I'm thinking is that the corded one is going to be a lot better for me because it is slimmer in the grip and it has a cord. It doesn't have a heavy battery. But we're about to test this right now and see what happens. So obviously, us manly and girly people, we're going to want that 6-amp battery on any tool that we normally use. But shit, I'm not trying to hold this power tool and this heavy battery that weighs more than the tool itself. So I have this here, very light. If it runs out, I got another one. I'm not going to put a big battery on it, but let's see how it feels. Let's unbox this and see what we got here. All right. Oh, and there's the specs right there. Pause the video if you want to see that. And there it is. But let's pull this out without further ado. What do we have here? Ooh, the favorite part. Yeah, right. Pluck it, file it. What else do we have? Ooh, they've included some sandpaper. That's nice. I have my own sandpaper. I don't use this, but it's nice that it's there. Pull that out. Do I have to assemble some stuff? Oh no, that's just a cover. It comes with a bag. Let me know in the comments below. Do y'all use this? I never do, and it seems like Ryobi is my brand. Y'all know that. Y'all have seen my videos, but it seems like when I do, it collects 20% of the dust. It's in my way. But we're about to test it and see what we got. So let's open it up. Bam! Oh, that does feel good. It's gonna take some getting used to. So there's that. There's where the battery goes. There's the bottom. This feels different. You know, the other one I have, it's in the barn. I should have grabbed it out, but you've seen the videos. It's about that height total. And then you have that skinny handle that just feels great. And it has the cord sticking out of the end. It's very light. This one, you have that. Okay, so that feels decent right there. But it's really tall, actually. I got it because it's cordless, and when I want to do a quick job, great, I have it. But I can tell you right now, just from holding that, if I'm doing a huge piece like this, I'm going to pull out the corded one, but I did not have the Ryobi battery powered one, so I wanted to get it for a quick job. There's been so many times where I finish a project and I just got to sand like one edge, or I got to do one little piece. I don't want to have to plug it up because I still pull the extension cord to the barn. So yeah, you want to throw the battery on there and just kind of get at it, look at it, get at it, and then bam, set it to the side. I don't want to have to pull out the extension cord every time. So that's what this is going to be for. My corded sander is going to be my number one. Still, it's going to be more productive, smaller, lighter, nimble. It's going to go forever. But yeah, this is going to be for quick jobs. Just for fun, let's put this battery on, this big one. Dang, look at that. If I had to guess how much this weighs, I'm going to say that weighs about 8 pounds. I have actually a 5-pound weight over here. Okay. So that's 5 pounds right there. So let's see. Yeah, it's gonna be about 6 to 7 pounds right there with that big battery. Let's take this one, see how it feels. Yes, that feels lighter anyway. So that's gonna be a lot better to use, of course. And does it say on the box how heavy this is? Let me see. I don't see it right off the bat. I'm sure it's in there. Of course not. Why would you put that on there? But yeah, with this battery right here, and like I said, for what I'm going to use this for, this is all I really need. It is a battery like this, really light. So I could just tackle it, hit up what I need to, and then I'm done. But that's heavy. That's like double the weight of the corded one with the light battery and triple the weight with this. For giggles, let's put on the bag. This is a awkward shaped bag. Not dissing it. I got it because, like I said, I wanted to use it for the corners, but I knew it wasn't going to be my main sander. Wanted to go corded all the way. Nobody wants to sand with a big battery for hours once again. So that's what aggravates me. But it goes in easy, and there you have it. Bam. Now, for those who don't know how to change sandpaper, let me show you. I did it on the other video, on the corded one. See these right here? And I prefer the square one because the square one you could use what they give you, which is the square pads, but you can also just get square sandpaper and just cut it if you want to, and then put it on here. So that's the benefit. You can get any sandpaper, cut it to size, and put it on here. The one with the Velcro, you have to get the Velcro. You can't just use any sandpaper, and those are more expensive. I don't like the circle one because, yeah, I just don't. I prefer these. These pads are cheap to replace, but you will run through these pads. Anyway, this is how you replace it. You pull that, and it lifts it up. So you're gonna get that sandpaper right there, and you're gonna place it on here, fold it over. It's gonna fold right there, and that clamp there, you're going to push it up. So now that's locked onto the sandpaper that's right there, and it's locked in. Simple as that. So yeah, just an unboxing video. It's not a review video. Just wanted to show you what I picked up. Eventually, one day, my goal is to have every single Ryobi tool. I think now I'm hovering around the range of 24, maybe 23 Ryobi tools. This one will not get it used as much as that corded, like I said, but I have it. It's convenient. And yeah. Can't wait to put it to the test. That'll be the next video, is sanding some wood. It'll be a while. I haven't been out in the wood shop in a while. You know, with a newborn, all that good stuff, I haven't been doing my other hobbies, which is making wood pieces. It's actually been about a full year. But anyway, definitely going to use that other tool that I picked up, which is the reciprocating saw, because I have a couple of big projects to do, but nothing that's going to involve sanding. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.